Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the LG 27UP850K-W 27-inch 4K UHD monitor, a display aimed at content creators, professionals, and the casual gamers. So, if you are considering it for your setup in 2026, you can just find the product link in the description box below for more details. So, first of all, let's understand its key features. So, this particular monitor features the 3840 x 2160 4K UHD resolution on a 27-inch IPS panel. That means sharp visuals, excellent color accuracy, and wide viewing angles, ideal for photo editing, video production, and graphic design. The display supports the HDR400, which adds better brightness and contrast for the supported content. For connectivity, you are going to get HDMI DisplayPort and USB-C with 90-watt power delivery. That USB-C port is a major plus for the laptop users, especially MacBook or Ultrabook owners, since it allows you to power your device and transmit the video through a single cable. The monitor runs at a 60 Hz refresh rate with a 5 ms response time. For creators, that's perfectly fine. For gamers, it's more suited to casual or console gaming rather than the competitive esports. LG also include the game modes like FPS and RTS presets plus a black stabilizer feature which improves the visibility in the darker scenes. The Ergo adjustable stand allows height, tilt, and pivot adjustments, helping you to create a comfortable workspace. Setup is also straightforward, and the overall design is clean, though the stand may feel slightly bulky as compared to the ultra minimal designs. On the downside, the built-in speakers are average at best, so external audio is recommended. Also, serious gamers may prefer higher refresh rates like 144 Hz or above. The build quality of this LG monitor feels solid overall, though the plastic housing doesn't feel ultra premium. So, if you are a content creator or professional who is looking for the sharp 4K visuals, strong color accuracy, and USB-C convenience, then this particular is a solid mid-range choice. Gamers that wanting ultra fast refresh rates, however, may want to look elsewhere. So again, if you want to explore the product further, you can find the link of it in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.